Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where I have fulfilled a request from Perpetually Annoyed. This is a cauliflower pizza crust, and I went ahead and topped it with pizza sauce, follow your heart shredded mozzarella, some black olives, and some sauteed red onion and mushroom, because that's what I like on pizza. So let me get the, I had an earlier technical difficulty with the recording, so I already ate a piece. I know how good it is. Let me get the scissors situated, and I'll cut a slice, and maybe you can hear the crunch. Okay, here goes. The outer crust is a little bit more crisp than the inside. It's really good, and it's not mushy. That was Perpetually Annoyed's complaint that she couldn't figure out how to make a cauliflower pizza crust that wouldn't get mushy. So I will have the recipe on my blog, and I will link it in the description. But basically what I did, and I put instructions for using a whole fresh cauliflower. I got spoiled because my store has fresh cauliflower. They call them pearls. They don't call them rice. They call them cauliflower pearls, already in a bag in the produce department with no crap on them, because they have them in the freezer, but they're full of like butter and garlic and cheese and stuff. So you got to be careful when you're looking for riced cauliflower. It might have stuff in it that's not vegan, which is really irritating. But these were pure cauliflower pearls. And I was looking at all the different of course, all the meat eater recipes are made with like cheese and egg, and that's the binder. So I had to find a way to bind it without that. And they also call for boiling the cauliflower and then squeezing the bejesus out of it. And I thought, well, that's dumb. So I roasted mine. And if you slow roast them, you kind of dry them out, and then you don't have to squeeze them. There's still a little bit of moisture, but you don't have to squeeze them. It's not 100% cauliflower because it's got to have something to bind it. I opened up a can of white beans, and I drained the brine, and I used that to moisten the cauliflower pearls, along with some xanthan gum, some cornstarch, and some rice flour. Well, just a couple tablespoons of each, not a whole lot. Then what I decided to try, and it does make it very crispy, once I rolled it out, I pressed a sheet of rice paper on the top to kind of like maybe form a protective barrier between the sauce and the crust. And it worked out really well, so I will have all those instructions on the blog. As I said, it will be linked. I will link to the previous video. I upload Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I make community posts Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts on Wednesday. Kitty videos on Saturday. Thank you as always for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you, Perpetually Annoyed, for making another request. I like to take requests. I hardly ever get any requests. I love to take requests, and this was kind of fun. So it took a while because I had to experiment, but here it is, and I hope that you will give it a try. And ask me any questions if anything doesn't make sense. And I will see you all later, guys.